Welcome back, fifth grade. Today we're going to continue thinking about fraction division, but we're going to concentrate on doing some problem solving. So you need to open your books to page 363, please. So I'm going to go through these problems with you. If you would prefer to try them on your own first, you can do that. Just pause the video, work out the problem, and then turn it back on and you can listen to my explanation and see if you got it right. Or if you just want to work around along with me, that would be fine too. All right, so number one says a chef has 5 blocks of butter. Each block weighs 1 pound. She cuts each block into fourths. How many 1/4 pound pieces of butter does the chef have? First, draw rectangles to represent the blocks of butter. So that's what we'll do in this box right here. So she has 5 of them. So I'm going to draw 5 rectangles. Come on. And you should do that also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now ideally they should all be the same size because they're all the same weight, right? Okay, now it says to divide each rectangle into fourths because she's cutting 1/4 pound pieces. So I'm going to do fourths this way. There's obviously other ways it could be done, but this is nice and easy for me. Okay, then it says we need to multiply the number of fourths in each box by the number of blocks. Well, how many fourths are in each box, in each pound of butter? Well, this one has 4. This one has 4, this one has 4, this one has 4, and this one has 4. So we're doing 1/4 5 times, right? So we would put, the chef has 5. Oh, no, we wouldn't. How many 1/4 blocks are there? Well, there's 5 times 4, which is 20. We should have 20 1/4 pound pieces of butter. All right, let's move on to number 2. What if the chef had 3 blocks of butter and cut the blocks into thirds? How many 1/3 pieces of butter would the chef have? Well, again, if you think, now we have 3 pounds. Each are divided into 3 equal pieces. How many 1/3 pounds are there? Well, each of those pieces represents 1/3 of a pound. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the complete answer would be 9 1/3 pound pieces. Now I want you to notice the way that I've written this. This 1/3 pound, it has a hyphen in it because it is the unit of measure. It is not part of the computation answer. It is actually the unit of measure. Okay. All right. Number 3, Holly cuts 3 ribbons into eighths for a craft project. How many 1/8 pieces of ribbon does she have? Well, if each piece of ribbon has 8 pieces, right, because they're 1/8 size pieces, and you have 3 pieces of ribbon all the same size, it's like doing 8 times 3. So we would have 24, and again, think about the way we write this answer, 1/8 size pieces. Okay, and there's this gap between the 24 and the 1/8. Hopefully you can see how I did that. This gap right here is like a space because we wouldn't say 24 feet right next to each other. We would put a space. Again, this 1/8 size is the unit of measure. All right, Jason has 2 pizzas that he cut into fourths. 2 pizzas that are cut into fourths. How many 1/4 size pizza slices does he have? Well, how many on the first pizza? 4. How many on the second pizza? 4. So altogether there are 8, but they are 1/4 size slices. Okay, and the last one. Thomas makes 5 sandwiches that he cuts into thirds. So I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slices, and each of them are in 3 equal parts. How many 1/3 slice sandwich pieces does he have? Well, again, you could count them by counting by threes, right? Because the first sandwich has 3. The second has 3 more, 3 more, 3 more, 3 more. 3 times 5 is 15 space 1/3 slice pieces. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. You guys are going to do the practice page for this lesson and give it a try. Bye.